Hi everyone, this is Danielle from A Novel Plan. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. It's great to see you guys here. Today is going to be just a quick little video. This is going to be a quick wax melt haul, and this order is from Live Love Wax Co. Okay, so this is actually my second order from them. And I think I've hauled them before, but this one is a little bit different. So this shop has some wax melts with essential oils in it. I have been having issues with headaches and with sleeping. So I kind of went through their website, kind of saw some of their blends, and caught a restock of some of these. So not all of them, but a few have essential oils in them, and I will let you guys know which ones do, but some of these just sounded really fun. So this is the business card that came in the order. It just says Live Love Wax, and they have wax melts, body care, linen sprays, lip balm, and more. Here's their social media information. And then this was the freebie that came in the order. It just says Candy Cane Lip Scrub, which is very interesting. I'm excited to try this out. Okay, so into the order. I'm going to save the essential oil ones for last. So some of these are really fun. I'm excited for. So I picked up 3 clamshells right here. This one is Hood Rat Things. It is a blend of Summer Eruption, Fizzy Pops, and Cherry Slushy. So if you open it up, and then the back is just like this pretty kind of light blue color. Oh, it smells so good. So this is like straight summer. If you're looking for like a fruity scent that you would love to kind of just have when it's nice and the windows are open and it's like watermelon, cherry, kind of slushy. Very, very nice. I really like this one. So then all of the clamshells I got are kind of almost like sweet themed in a way. This one is Fruit Loop Madness, Fruit Loops, Birthday Cake, Melted Vanilla Ice Cream, and Fizzy Pops. So this one is this pretty kind of dark mint teal color. Ooh, and it smells like straight up Fruit Loops. I have really been on like this sweet cereal kick. I have an order from Wit and Wax Co., which is Fruity Pebbles. This one is Fruit Loop, which is very fun. Yes, that is nice. That one smells like Fruit Loops. It is just very sweet, which is awesome. This one is Fizzy Pops. This one is just a plain kind of white color. When you open it up, if you can open it up, it's just plain white. And the description on this one is a lemon lime soda, like Sprite or Sierra Mist. And that is exactly what it smells like. It's like ginger ale, Sprite kind of mix. I saw that this one right here, this Fizzy Pop, you could see on the description, it is mixed with this Fruit Loop one and the Hood Rat. They have Fizzy Pops in that. So this lemon scent is like its own base, but then it's also incorporated into some of the other smells. But this one smells very like lemony, citrusy kind of smell. Next up is Mahogany and Teakwood, which is kind of more of a like masculine scent, I would say. So this one is green, citrus, and fruit top notes with floral notes of jasmine, rose, and lily. Middle notes enhanced by sweet, woody, musky bottom notes. So it is just like, it's almost like this purpley brown. And it's kind of got a floral scent, but this one is definitely more of a like masculine scent. It's kind of got this ombre look to it. Ooh, yeah, I really like that. That's more of a cologne-y smell, but after having like bakery smells for the holidays, these are really good palette cleansers for me. So up next, this is seriously so exciting to me. I have been looking for kind of something that's like book smellish, that smells like a library, and then I saw that this is called Gotham's Library. So excited for this. This is like a deep gray color. And the description is old books, new books, aged magazines, historic documents, and old wooden bookshelves. So it really doesn't give you any scent notes, but oh, this is like antique-y, aged, not at all sweet, just very, I don't know, just like a base smell that just reminds you of like going and like looking through books at the library, which is one of my favorite things to do. So if you're looking kind of like for a bookish paper masculine kind of neutral scent, this would be the one, definitely. Last one without essential oils is called Walk with Olaf. It is this like blue color, and the description on this is snow ozone with a backdrop of spicy juniper and the richness of the forest woods. So it is this like pretty blue color. Ooh, and this reminds me of winter. That's straight up what this reminds me of. It is like fresh snow, but like a hint of almost like pine, tree scent, and it is just, I really like this one. Perfect for winter when everything's just white and calm. All right, so into these two. So these are Migraine Suck, and this one is GTFTC, or GTFTS, which stands for Get the Fuck to Sleep. Sorry if you don't cuss, but I do, and that's just what this means. So these two both have essential oils in it. I don't know how they work for me yet. I am definitely going to try them to try to help with, I have migraines, I have tension headaches, and lately I have not been sleeping well, like whatsoever. So Migraine Suck. I'm not quite sure exactly what essential oils it has in it, but the description is crisp peppermint and cooling eucalyptus. Wow, okay. And it says that this blend contains 84% essential oils. So this one to me is just, well, it's plain white, first of all. And this one is straight peppermint to me. It is very soothing. I really like the smell of peppermint. It's very strong. This like a classical candy cane, the red and white ones. This smells like straight up candy cane, but very, very strong, and a little bit, I can maybe tell the eucalyptus, but I'm excited to try this. I don't know how it will work, but if you are looking for something that has some essential oils in it, in her Facebook group, she does have some definitions and like descriptions. If you want to look in there and see maybe what oils it contains, I am just willing to try anything at this point, so I'm definitely excited to try this one. And the last one is Get the Fuck to Sleep. So this one is kind of a mixture of a couple different scents. So this is a mixture of 3 of her sleepy time scents, which all contain essential oils. She kind of mixed them together and made this like super one. So this one has the 3 scents. It has Calming Night, which is a soothing blend of lavender and vanilla, which I love lavender. It also has her sleepy squishy scent in it, and that is a soothing blend of lavender and baby oil, or not baby oil, baby powder. And it also combines her Time for Pajamas, which is calming notes of lavender chamomile that are intertwined with myrrh and olibanum. I don't know what that is. So it's like a mixture of like a lavender scent with some other soothing bedtime scents. It is just this straight purple. I like that kind of different purple down there. And this is just a very calming, light floral scent almost. Ooh, yeah, I really, really like that one. Like, really like this one. And I'm a big fan of lavender, so that's perfect. You can even see kind of like this marbling on the purple. I really like that one. So, I don't know how these are going to work for me. I bought little samples of them to see how I like them. She does restock these fairly often, and she does sell much bigger quantities, like full loaves of them, which if I like them, I will definitely be going back and grabbing. So, alright, my little order from Live Love Wax Co. I will say that there is not anything in this that I dislike. I really like all the scents I got. Typically there's 1 or 2 where I'm just kind of iffy, but I really like all of these. So these are all a thumbs up. Go check her out if you are looking for maybe some wax melts with some essential oils, or maybe these are like fruity, fun summer ones, but she also has tons of like themed scents that come out. So go check her out. That is my little haul from Live Love Wax Co. I think I'm going to keep my wax melt hauls smaller like this. Instead of doing multiple shops at once, I will probably keep it to just 1 shop per haul, just to keep them shorter, more concise, really quick to watch if you're interested, and if you're not, you don't have to watch a long video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys all have an awesome holiday season, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.